You have to get a much closer interaction with your customer. You need a digital customer journey from end to end. And that I hear over and over again. I can see that's just being more and more important. Customers are expecting it, and if you get it right, it's really good business, because you can have loyal customers, you keep the interaction, you can keep offering upgrades, and you protect your business from competition when you engage closely with your customers over the lifetime. And closely related to that is this servitization of offerings. So where you used to be a manufacturer who delivered a product, hand it over to the customer, and then wait for them to buy the next one. This is changing. We see in a lot of areas that it's becoming more and more as a service. So you deliver your offering as a service. The starting point is you add service to your products, but some of them are going all the way out. So you might get printing as a service. You don't acquire the big printing machine and have a maintenance and service contract. You simply pay per print, and then it's the manufacturer's job to figure out the cost pattern and the price, and then you have a variable cost, which is per print. And if they find out now it's more efficient to upgrade the machine, then the manufacturer will have to do it. It's not the one using the machine.